So the topic for today is power of iota, right? We will be learning how to solve the different powers of iota, right? So say we are having iota. The value of iota we know is root of -1. Iota square will be the value of iota square will be root of -1 into root of -1, which we can root of -1 square. You can you know that root of -1 is power 1 by 2. It will be 2 here. 2 cancelled. It is -1. So iota cube can be written as iota square into iota. The value of iota square we have calculated -1 into iota. So this means iota cube we will always be writing minus iota, right? It is minus is equals to minus iota. And if we have to find iota 4, we can write iota square into iota square. It will be -1 into -1, which means 1. So iota power 4 will always be 1. So iota is root of -1, iota square is -1, iota cube is minus iota, iota power 4 is equals to 1. These powers you have to keep in mind so that we will be able to solve any power. Iota power 5, iota power 4 into iota. Iota power 4, you know it is 1. So I can write is 1 into iota. Iota. Iota power 6, I can write iota power 4 into iota power 2, because bases are same, powers are added, it will be 4 plus 2, 6. Iota power 4, 1. Iota square -1. The answer is -1. I can calculate iota power 7. So iota power 7 will be iota power 4 into iota power 3. Iota power 4 is 1. Iota power 3 is minus iota. So it will be minus iota. Right? This way we can calculate any big power. Then we will be having how to find the value of 1 upon iota. This is again a complex number, a imaginary number in the denominator. So whenever we will be having imaginary number in the denominator, we will rationalize, and we have a no plus minus sign here but only iota, so we will multiply and divide it with iota. So iota into iota, iota square. Iota, the value of iota square is -1, so it is minus iota. Same way we can calculate 1 upon iota square. Iota square we know -1, 1 upon -1 is -1. Similarly, 1 upon iota cube, 1 upon iota cube means 1 upon iota square into iota. Iota square is -1, so it will be -1 upon iota. -1 upon iota, again rationalize iota upon iota, it is minus iota upon iota square is equals to minus iota upon iota square is -1, minus minus cancel, it is iota. Same way 1 upon iota raised to power 4, iota raised to power 4, you know it is 1. You can calculate 1 upon iota raised to power 5, which is 1 upon iota raised to power 4 into iota, which is 1 into iota, 1 upon iota. 1 upon iota is equals to minus iota. So you can find any power. So iota cube we have calculated minus iota. Iota raised to power 4, 1. Iota raised to power 5, iota raised to power 6 minus 1. This way we can calculate any power. Iota raised to power minus 1, which means 1 upon iota. We will rationalize, we will multiply and divide it with iota. So it will be iota into iota square, which means minus 1. It is equals to minus iota. Same way, iota raised to power minus 2, iota raised to power minus 3, iota raised to power minus 4. Now I am taking a number iota raised to power 23. How to find the value of iota raised to power 23? I will simplify on the factor 4. So 23, I can write it as 5 into 4 plus 3. 5 fours are 20 plus 3, which is 23. Why I am writing? I'll be writing it as iota raised to power 20 plus 3, which I can write 4 into 5 plus 3. Why this I can write iota raised to power 4 raised to power 5, right, into iota 3. Why? Because I know x raised to power L into x raised to power m is equals to x raised to power L plus m. Then the base is same and the powers are with the sum, then we can write it as x raised to power L into x raised to power m. So here I am having x raised to power 4 into 5, to which I can write iota as iota raised to power 4 into 5, iota raised to power 4 into 5. The powers are multiplied when we are writing. It is iota raised to power 20 and plus is there, so I'm writing into iota raised to power 3. Now iota raised to power 4 I know it is 1, so 1 raised to power 5. Iota cube I know it is minus iota. So after simplification, my iota raised to power 23 will be minus iota. So we have generalized the result now, that iota raised to power 4k will always be 1, just like our k is 5 here, right? K is 5 here, 4k, it is 4k. So iota power 4k is 1. Iota raised to power 4k plus 1 will always be iota. Iota raised to power 4k plus 2 is minus 1. And iota power 4k plus 3 is minus iota. Here it is 23 and 23 I have written 20 plus 3. 4k plus 3, right? 4k plus 3 is there. So my result resembles with iota raised to power 4k plus 3 and my output is also minus iota. So for multiple choice of questions, right, you can keep these form as in mind as a formulas, that iota raised to power 4k 1, 4k plus 1 iota, 4k plus 2 minus 1 and 4k plus 3 minus iota, right? So it will be helpful to you. Next, we will move to solve. Express the following in the form of a plus b iota. So the solution of first question, we have to simply multiply the two numbers and we have to express in the form a plus b iota. So I'm taking minus 5 iota into 1 upon 8 iota. Multiply the two numbers. So it is minus 5 into 1 by 8, 8 into iota into this iota. It is minus 5 by 8 iota into iota, iota square. It is minus 5 by 8. The value of iota square is minus 1. You will writing the reason because iota square is minus 1. Now minus minus cancel each other. So we will be having 5 by 8. No term with iota is there, but we have to express in a plus b iota. So we will be writing it as 5 by 8 plus 0 iota as our answer, right? So 5 by 8 is A and 0 is B, and we have expressed it in the form 5 by 8 A plus B iota. The next is multiply minus iota with 2 iota with minus 1 by 8 iota cube. So first I am solving these two brackets. It will be minus 2 iota into iota. I am writing directly iota square into minus 1 by iota cube. Minus 1 by 8 iota cube means minus 1 by 8 iota is, we will multiply 3 times, right? So it is minus 2 iota square means minus 1 minus iota by 8 into minus iota by 8 into minus iota by 8. Minus 2, as it is, the value of iota square is minus 1. Minus 1 by 8 iota means minus iota by 8 power 3, right? And here we have to mention, because the value of iota square is minus 1. Now minus minus cancel, this minus minus cancel, right? So it is 2 into minus iota plus minus minus plus minus minus iota into iota into iota, iota cube upon 8 into 8 into 8. This 2 fours are 8, right? And it is minus iota cube. I can write iota square into iota upon 8 8 into 8 64, 64 into 4 256. So in the denominator it is 256. Iota square is minus 1. So we will be having this minus, minus is there, iota square I'm writing minus 1 into iota, minus minus cancel each other. So I will be having iota upon 256. Since I have to express in a plus iota b, so I can write 0 plus 1 upon 256 into iota, right? This iota is multiplied. Iota upon 256 I can write 1 upon 256 iota. A is 0, b is 1 upon 256. So we have expressed it in the form of a plus b iota. You have to take care of the calculations, right? The solutions are easy otherwise. Now next, express 5 minus 3 iota whole cube in the form a plus iota b. So there are two methods. One is solve it. 5 minus 3 iota, 5 minus 3 iota, 5 minus 3 iota. First solve these two brackets. Whatever the answer will be, multiply it with the third bracket, right? And the second method is applying the formula a minus b whole cube, which is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, which means a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus minus plus 3ab square. Now we will apply this formula to simplify. So 5 minus 3 iota whole cube will be equal to a cube means 5 cube minus b cube means 3 iota cube minus 3a square means 5 square b 3 iota plus 3a 5 b square is 3 iota square, right? 5 fives are 25 into 5 125. 3 threes are 9 threes are 27 into iota cube minus 3 into 25 into 3 iota plus 3 into 5 into 3 threes are 9 iota square. 125 minus 25. Iota cube can be written as iota square into iota. Iota square is -1. -1 into iota means iota cube is minus iota, right? And 3 threes are 9. 25 into 9, 135, right? 225, sorry, right? It will be 3 threes are 9. 9 into 25, 5, 4, and it is 225 iota, right? Then multiply the two values. 5 threes are 15. 15 into 9, it is 135, right? 135 into iota square, which means iota square will be -1, right? We will simplify. 125 minus minus plus 27 iota minus 225 iota plus minus minus 135. Real terms in one bracket, imaginary terms in another bracket. It is 125 minus 135 plus 27 minus 225 iota. 135 minus 125, 10. But the bigger term is with the negative sign, therefore it will be minus 10. 225 minus 27 will be 198, but the bigger number is with the negative sign, so it will be minus 198 iota. So this is the answer required, right? Minus 10 iota minus 198 is the answer. Fine. So we have done nothing. We have done the simple calculations. So only you have to take care of the calculations, how to solve the powers of iota. Then next, express minus root 3 plus root of minus 2 in one bracket, 2 root 3 minus iota in the form a plus iota b. So first, how to write root of minus 2? Root of minus 2 can be written as root 2 into root of minus 1, right? We know that root AB can be written as root A into root B, which is root 2, and root of minus 1 we are writing iota. So here I will write it as root of minus root 3 plus it is root 2 iota. It is 2 root 3 minus iota. Okay, minus root 3 plus root 2 iota, 2 root 3 minus iota. Multiply the two brackets, minus root 3, 2 root 3 plus iota plus root 2 iota, 2 root 3 minus iota. It was minus here. 2 root 3 minus iota, then plus root 2 iota, 2 root 3 minus iota. Now we will multiply. It will be minus 2 root 3 into root 3 minus minus plus root 3 into iota plus 2 root 3 into root 2 iota plus minus minus root 2 iota into iota, iota square. First we have multiplied minus root 3 with the two terms, then root 2 iota with the two terms. Now root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, you know it is 3. So it will be minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus root 3 iota plus 2 root 3 into root 2, root 6 iota, minus root 2, the value of iota square is minus 1. So it is minus 1 plus root 3 iota plus 2 root 6 iota minus minus plus root 2. So we can write it as root 2 minus 6 plus root 3 plus 2 root 6 iota. I have written real terms root 2 minus 6 in one bracket plus iota wali terms in another bracket, root 3 plus 2 root 6. Now this is complete A, and term with iota is with B, and in between we have a plus sign. So we have expressed in the form A plus iota B. Right, we have done nothing but we have multiplied the terms and solved for iota. Now this is the assignment you will be solving. Express each of the complex number in the given exercise 1 to 10 in the form A plus iota B. These are the questions of your NCERT book. So we have solved 1 upon iota raised to power minus 39. You will be solving 1 upon iota raised to power 39 and write it this power 39 in the multiple of 4. You will be easily able to solve. So solve this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Then multiplicative inverse we have not done. You don't do this question 11, 12, 13 and 14th also. We have not done this type of question. So up to 10 you will solve and complete this assignment. So I'll sign off the class. Bye bye.